Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Megha Chopra and today I use a red lipstick in 3 different ways to create this makeup look. So if you want to know how, then please keep on watching.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading.
Okay, so here I'm taking red lipstick and using it as a color corrector. Okay, so when we have a loads of dark circle, we use a orange or red corrector to cancel out the darkness, and then we apply the concealer. So it's not necessary that you have to buy particular corrector. If you are a beginner, you can definitely try this hack. It looked really good. And after that, I'm just using Maybelline Fit Me concealer to just hiding my dark circles, and here I'm just blending it, and I'll show you that how much of a difference it made. Like, it looked really nice. And I'm just applying here a little bit more on my lids, here and there where I think that I need coverage. So yeah, and I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty blender. Okay, so you can clearly see the difference. Like, it really cancel out all the darkness. So I'm just doing it on my another eye, and to be really honest, I applied a little bit more on this eye. But you don't need to worry, because any which ways we're gonna apply the concealer and it's gonna hide it. So don't worry if you applied a little too much, it's gonna set. Okay, so now I'm taking L'Oreal True Match foundation and just applying really little on my areas where I haven't applied any concealer, and just blending it out. In this technique, if you're following this technique, according to me, you need really less foundation than usual. And here I'm just blending it out really nicely. And after that, I'm using the same lipstick and taking it on the back of my hand, and will use a blender and just take the product on it instead of directly applying it on. I'm just rubbing the blender on it, and once I got the pigment on blender, I'm just dabbing it on my cheek to get a blush. I would not suggest using the lipstick directly on your cheeks, because फिर you may get carried away, और आप बहुत ज़्यादा लगा लो, so इससे कंट्रोल रहता है, and it's really good. Okay, so now coming to eyes, I'm taking the same lipstick and using a brush, I'm applying eyeliner. Okay, if you want क्विक मेकअप, आपको जस्ट 5-10 मिनट में तैयार होना है, यू शुड डू इट. लाइक, कलरफुल आई लाइनर्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट रेडी इन रियली लेस टाइम. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई टुक ब्लू हेवन सफायर लूज पाउडर, आई जस्ट सेटिंग इट विद माई होल फेस, ताकि जो obviously we applied cream products, तो cream products settle हो जाए and my makeup stays for longer time. Okay, after that I'm applying the same lipstick, obviously as a lipstick red lipstick को. And after when I applied it, उसके बाद मुझे थोड़ी dark लग रही थी. So what I did was I toned it down using a concealer. I used the same concealer, and with the help of brush I just applied on the lips and just dab it using my hands. ओके, अगर आपको चाहिए कि आपको बहुत ही लेस कलर चाहिए, इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू गो फॉर रेड लिपस्टिक एंड आपको सिर्फ रेड लिपस्टिक से ही वर्क करना है, तो आप पूरे ही अपने लिप्स में कंसीलर लगा लो, तो बहुत म्यूटेड पिंक सा कलर आ जाएगा. यू विल लव इट. जैसे कि अभी सेंटर ऑफ लिप्स में जो कलर आ रहा है, दैट वुड बी ऑन द होल लिप. लाइक, you can try this obviously. And after that, to complete the whole makeup, I use Wet n Wild highlighter and just applied it using an highlighter brush all over my face, actually all over the places we usually apply highlighter on, cheekbones, nose, bridge of the nose, forehead. And here I'm applying a mascara. This is from Faces Canada, and for the first impression I felt that it's really nice. It really voluminize your lashes. So guys, this is the final look, and I hope that you liked it. And if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and take good care of yourself. Bye.